You can also display and hide calendars easily inside of Google Calendar. So here you can see that I got multiple calendars, and if I want to hide a particular calendar, let's say for example I want to hide the TutorTube calendar, then over here on the left side you can see a little checkbox. Simply click on it and the calendar events will be hidden. Same goes for tests. I can go around and disable out all the calendar. So let's say I want to view out just a particular calendar. I can click on the checkbox right here and that particular calendar event will be shown out. So just like this, you can click and there you go. There are the events for that particular calendar. You can go around over here, and if I were to go around over here onto options, you can see that I can hide it from the list as well. So I can hide it and you can see that it is not there as a list anymore. You can go around, go on to this three dot icon, hide from list, and what happens is that the calendar is not shown over here at all. So in order to get those back, you can go around over here onto the settings menu and then go to settings right here. And over here you can see that two of these calendars are hidden. You can tell it by seeing the eye icon right here. You can click on this right here, click on this, and then now if you were to go back, what happens is that those two calendars will be shown out again. And that is how you can display and hide calendars inside of Google Calendar. So hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.